It's a Diwali setback for BJP President Nitin Gadkari, RSS ideologue. The RSS ideologue who only a few days ago handed him a clean chit, giving him a fresh lease of life as BJP President, is now suggesting that his clean chit cannot be taken as a license for Nitin Gadkari to stay as the BJP's party president. In a tweet, S. Gurumurthy, ideologue, has said that Gadkari's resignation is a political issue and he doesn't care if he continues as president or if he is made to quit. He further adds that he personally feels that no party president should be in business as it always invites problems and creates perceptions. Well, it looks very clear. Gadkari cannot use his Gurumurthy clean chit to stay on as BJP president. He has also personally, as RSS ideologue, almost made it clear that he is not backing Gadkari to continue as president. His hint is not very subtle when he says senior politicians shouldn't dabble in politics. Well, Gurumurthy's statement will make life difficult, a little more difficult for Nitin Gadkari within his own party. As it is, he has very little support within the party as of now, and that too, it's primarily influenced by the RSS's clean chit. Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley are the only big leaders backing him right now, but the list of those opposing him is only growing by the day. From L.K. Advani to Jaswant Singh to Yashwant Sinha and Shatrughan Sinha, everybody, senior leaders, oppose Gadkari's continuation as party president. Well, let's get a word in from our political editor Javed Ansari for more on this. Javed, what are you making of this? S. Gurumurthy first comes out and gives what is perceived to be a pretty powerful clean chit to Nitin Gadkari, and now it's almost like he's casting him away, saying he's the party's problem.
Yes, life just got a bit more difficult and tough for Mr. Gadkari and his continuance now. There's a huge question mark on whether and for how long he will continue as the BJP president. There are two aspects to Mr. Gurumurthy's statement. One is that he realizes that a lot of, there was a lot of speculation and that he was being accused of adopting double standards on questions of corruption when it comes to his own, because Gurumurthy has built a reputation for as some kind of a crusader against corruption, especially when it comes to the question of the Congress party or the Gandhi family. So questions were being raised in an open and shut, where many believe that in an open and shut case like Mr. Gadkari, he had given a clean chit to Mr. Gadkari. So this was an attempt by Mr. Gurumurthy to clear the air. He wants to convey the impression that his was an objective assessment and it had little to do or had little or no bearing with his personal relations as far as Mr. Gadkari is concerned. And he also realizes, perhaps reads the writing on the wall, which is that there is the overwhelming majority of opinion within the party and outside is in favor of Mr. Gadkari demitting office ASAP.
Javed, when Mr. Gurumurthy came out with his, quote-unquote clean chit for Nitin Gadkari, he made it pretty explicit what he was doing. What are we missing? What are the pulls and pressures that we're missing that have actually made, this necessary, him having to come out and clarify this way?
Look, one, that he needs to clear his reputation.
Okay, Javed, just stay with me for a moment. I'm just going to come back to that question. Digvijay Singh is speaking about this. Let's just listen in.
और अडवाणी जी को तो इस बात पर हटा दिया था भाजपा ने कि उन्होंने जिन्ना के मज़ार पे जाकर अपना सर टेक दिया था और उनको सेक्युलर कहा था। इस बात से संघ ने नाराज होकर उन्हें हटा दिया था। लेकिन गडकरी जी को इतना सब गड़बड़ करने के बावजूद भी हटाया नहीं जा रहा है। इसका मतलब यह है कि संघ में भी अब कॉर्पोरेट हावी है बनस्पत वैल्यूज के।
सर, जबलपुर के एक महामंडलेश्वर उन्होंने कहा है कि राम जेठमलानी के मुंह पर उसको 5 लाख रुपए दिए जाएंगे।
देखिए, बात यह है कि राम जेठमलानी जी को थोड़ा समझ जाइए कौन है। राम जेठमलानी जी ने भगवान राम के बारे में जो कहा तो निंदनीय है ही, लेकिन इन्होंने इंदिरा गांधी के हत्यारों की पैरवी इन्होंने अदालत में की, राजीव गांधी जी के हत्यारों की पैरवी इन्होंने अदालत में की, कसाब की पैरवी इन्होंने की, अफजल गुरु की पैरवी इन्होंने अदालत में की। तो ये व्यक्ति तो ये है कि इनसे क्या उम्मीद की जाए। हाँ, नरेंद्र मोदी जी की खासम खास है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी को अब बताना चाहिए कि वे राम जेठमलानी जी के इस वक्तव्य से सहमत है कि नहीं है।